Hello again, and welcome to the conclusion video for today's lesson on the Big 6 research steps. Let's start by reviewing the learning targets of the research lesson. It is important that every student understands the process to academic research, since you will have to research throughout your educational years. You will be doing research in many different classes throughout your schooling, so it is vital that you learn a good process for completing research. This is where Big 6 comes in. The Big 6 research steps can help you complete your research assignments thoroughly and with high quality. You will notice on the back of your video practice sheet is a handout for you to use throughout your research assignment. Not only does it outline each Big 6 research step, but it also includes the guiding questions and instructions on what you should be doing during each step. The QR codes on the right-hand side of each step lead to resources that I have selected for you to help you complete each step properly. Some are documents, some are pictures, and one is a video. Please come by and see me in the library if you have problems accessing any of these resources. As you saw in the video, step 1 of the Big 6 is task definition, which is partly determined by your teacher. In this step, you will think about the research assignment your teacher gave you and brainstorm what types of information you will need to be able to complete the assignment. Step 2 is about information-seeking strategies. Will you be using the internet? If so, where do you get the best resources? Are you using books? Where will you get them? When you are doing academic research, it is always important to use sources that are reliable and scholarly. That means don't trust everything Google sends you to. The best, most trustworthy information will always be on the library databases available to you on the library website. I will instruct you more on how to use these databases to search for information when you are ready to begin step 2 of your research. When you are ready to begin step 3, location and access, I highly recommend you check out the resource I gave you on your handout. This resource shows you how you can use Boolean and other advanced search strategies to find information that is relevant to your project and also narrow down your results. If you want a search engine to bring you results that you can use, you have to understand the language that gets you the best results. You will also need to know how to skim a source for sections of good information and use the table of contents or index to go to specific pages of your source. Once you have found good sources, you begin step 4, using the information. Don't just copy down everything that you can find. Think about what information is best suited for your assignment and take brief notes using bullet points. Copy down great quotes that you like, and always remember to write down the bibliographic information. You will always have to cite your sources when you are doing academic research. Step 5 can be the hardest of all the steps, synthesizing or creating a presentation out of all the information you found. You will need to organize in a way that makes sense and make the presentation easy to understand and easy to read. Choose a presentation tool that works best for you, as you can see in your handout, and that you know how to use. Make sure you know the teacher's expectations for classroom presentations and know your information without having to read aloud from your end product. Step 6 is evaluation, and whatever you do, don't skip it. By this step, you may be ready to just turn in your assignment and be done with it, but you will do much better if you stop and look over the rubric and what you've done. Get a classmate to check over your work and find any errors or give you feedback on what you're missing. After you finish the process, make sure to reflect on the skills and concepts you've learned so that you can apply those to future research projects in any class. Don't get frustrated if you hit some bumps along the way. Learn from your mistakes and ask for help from me or your teacher anytime. Good luck working through the Big 6 research steps for your assignment, and come by and see your friendly librarian anytime.